A complex number will have a real part and an imaginary part. Now, this is used for cases like signal processing, for all scientific stuff. Okay. So what they'll write, that they'll write a number like this. Now 5 plus 4j, in that the real part is 5 and the imaginary part is 4. All right. So this you can write two ways. One, either you write it as 5 plus 4j itself. Now I'll show it to wait. Okay. So here if I say print print 6 plus 5j. Okay. So the type of this will be 5j. Classes, and you see it is saying it is a complex number. All right. Now the same thing I can create it like this using a function called complex. What I have to do first, I have to give the real part and then I have to give the imaginary part. The real part here in 6 plus 5j is 6 and the imaginary part in 6 plus 5j is 5. Okay. So see, can you see it has printed me 6 plus 5j. It's this is just for your information. All right. So when I say a complex number, it will have a real part and an imaginary part. You can create it in two ways. Either write the number as such with the J notation, or you use the complex function. First, you should specify the real part, followed comma, and then the imaginary part. All right.